What's up, guys? This is your buddy Deepak, and I'm going to share with you 4 important strategies which can help you save lots of money, time, efforts, and frustration. Especially if you are thinking of starting making money online by investing in those make money online programs. So if you are new here and if you haven't subscribed, I highly suggest you to subscribe, hit that red button and subscribe to my channel, where I share lots of useful stuff about how to make money online, different strategies, and the trainings which are required to become successful in this industry. So I started my journey around 2.5 to 3 years back in this industry of making money online, and I really wish the things that I learned at the cost of time, efforts, and money, which I lost initially. So I really wish someone could have told me that, and I should have followed it religiously. Then I would have been in a different position today, and I would not have committed the same mistakes. So just thought of sharing with those things, and these are based on my experiences. So first thing is, guys, if you are looking to invest in any make money online program, then so first thing is you should only invest that amount which you can afford to lose, because any business is a risk and online business is not an exception. So only invest that much amount which you can afford to lose. This is very, very important. I do not suggest taking loans, borrowing money, and then putting yourself into trouble, because see, the nature of the online business is such that, especially these make money online programs, that anything can happen. There are chances that you might lose money. So it should not happen that you are at a difficult situation after you lose all of your hard-earned money. Everyone has a different risk appetite. It could be $100, it could be $1,000, it could be $10,000. So based on what you are comfortable with, imagine that if you lose that amount, it should not affect your existing lifestyle. So only risk that much amount. So this is rule number 1, and that is only invest what you can afford to lose. The second one is do your own research before you put money into any program. This is extremely important. Doesn't matter who is referring that business to you or how trustworthy that person is. I made those mistakes initially. I trusted the people. I trusted the leaders who were promoting the things without me actually doing my own research. Think that, okay, I'm a new person and how can I do my research? But it's not that difficult. Just use Google, use your own logic, and certain things like who is behind the company. Are they public? Or are they just hiding behind the websites, or is it just a website? So verify the owner's identity, then see whether the returns that the company is promising are really realistic or not, and what is their revenue generation source, from where the company is giving the returns. So do your own research before you a program. This is very, very important, and don't just rely on what other people are saying. So do your own research. That's very, very important. Third thing is, always remember that you should diversify your portfolio, and this I learned the hard way, guys. If at all, let's say you have $1,000 budget for starting your business, then don't just put all your $1,000 into one program. Always diversify it into at least 2 to 3 different programs, and then, because you don't know which program is going to be a winner, which program is going to close down the line, and which program is going to make you money. So that's why it's important that you don't put all your money into one program. But yes, of course, like there are limitations for this, especially if you are tight on the budget, then it becomes really difficult to diversify. But what I can suggest is, once you develop one single source of income, try as early as possible to take that income, some portion of that income, and start building another source of income from that earnings. So that's why you will have more than one income sources which are running, so that even if one goes down, you have something else to fall back on, and you will not be in trouble if you have multiple income sources running. This is the third strategy. This is diversification, very, very important. And the last but not the least, guys, please take your own responsibility for your actions. Don't blame your sponsor, don't blame company. Learn from your mistakes, learn the skill set which is required for success from the experienced marketers, and be responsible for your actions. And this is going to take you in the long run. Failures are going to happen in the process. There are no success can be achieved without failing first. So just don't get discouraged. Be in the game, and these strategies, if you follow religiously without falling prey to the emotions, I can be very sure that you will be in this game and you will learn the skills and eventually you will succeed. Hope you liked what I shared here today. That's it for today. Uh, if you think this is valuable and it can help someone, please do not forget to share this video. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.